Okay. How do we do the ordering? Which one first? 1, 2, 3. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. I just came back from traveling from France, from Ireland, from Scotland, and here are something I bought back, and because I was thinking of offering a gift to the people here, so I bought this one. So I first bought this one. No, the very first I bought it in Ireland. I think this one is for myself. Killarney and Dingle. We bought it from a shop. So I love this package. I cannot help but to buy it. You know, when you do international travel, one thing I try to avoid is to have a heavy luggage. And usually I do not buy things. And a lot of time you end up having too many things. It's good to have a memory, but we have a small house. And so I am not thinking of buying too many things. But this one is just so very beautiful, this one. So I bought it. I bought it in a special place. I bought it in Killarney. And we went to Killarney National Park. I have already mentioned I have a special relation with Killarney. First, when we lived in Australia, we lived in Killarney Heights. We went to school in Killarney Heights. Killarney Heights, it's in the northern beach, yeah, in Sydney suburb, outskirt, in Sydney outskirt or suburb, and it's a very nice district. It's a very nice district, and the place we lived is called. The place we lived is Gordon, but we went to Killarney Heights because there is a French school. It's a public elementary school, but there are a lot of people living near that area, French people. So they proposed to the educational department and made a charter school teaching French and with French accreditation. I forgot how French accreditation works, but it's a very wonderful school. So when we went to Australia, we want to keep our children learning French or learning Chinese. So we went to that school. We signed up for that school for my two boys, and they learned French, and they have some Chinese program also. It's a very open-minded school that offering different kind of language, different kind of cultural exposure. I think it's good. Instead of, if there is a possibility to learn more, of course, it's better that we can learn more. So we went to that school. So it's Killarney Heights. And this time, I went to Ireland. Before I go, I check my sister. I have two sisters, painting sister and photography sister. And the photography sister has went to UK, has went to England, Wales, Scotland, Ireland, Northern Ireland. That that area. So she wrote a travel blog about Killarney Heights. So it's such a special connection. So the very first thing I said, I want to go to Killarney. She went to Killarney, and in Killarney, in Ireland, it's not called Killarney Heights. It's called Killarney Heights in Australia because of the Irish diaspora. Yeah, the Irish people immigrated to Australia, so they call that area Killarney Heights. So I went to the original Killarney. Oh, it's such a beautiful place. We went to Killarney National Park, and I have a habit. Usually I do not buy things in National Park because it's expensive. But this one is nothing more expensive. It's the same as others. And it's in Killarney National Park. So I bought it because it's pretty. So it's fudge, this kind of fudge, little piece of fudge. But I just love this little container so much. I have to have it. I think this is a gift for myself for now. Maybe later on I will rethink. And yeah, just love this. So pretty. There must be oh my goodness, there is no beer, no Guinness. There's no Guinness. How can? Anyway, Killarney Heights, it's different. So this one, I was in France, and it's from Bretagne. Every year I go to Bretagne, and this kind of bag, this kind of container, the box I first see produit en Bretagne. This is the first time I have seen this box. I always buy Tromade début 19-1, début 19-1, so 1920 started. Le palais de Pont-Aven, and it's very, very, very delicious, creamy with a lot of miette, and it's very good. There is a picture of it. Every time when my family goes to France, he buys this back home for me. So we went to travel for some time for our summer travel, and we asked, not really asked, our cats, Gugu, Titi, and Pang Pang, the 3 cats, they went to this neighbor's home, and this neighbor is also very good at have green thumb or green finger, green thumb. He planted a lot of tomatoes and everything, so he came to to look at our vegetables, our backyard, and our cats. So I was thinking, as a thank you, I want to bring back something from Bretagne. So the first I got this one, and a few days later I got this one. This is also the very first time I have seen it. I almost got all the boîtes, all the boxes from Brittany. Pont-Aven, still Pont-Aven, because this is one of the most typical one. So I am thinking maybe this one as a gift as a thank you gift for taking care of our Titi Gugu. Yeah, our Titi Gugu and the Pang Pang, they live very well. Now, we used to think we cannot travel. We used to send Gugu to a cat daycare or something, and every day they stay in some small place, and when we see Gugu pick him up, Gugu pick her up. When we picked her up, and she was so happy. So we were thinking, Gugu values freedom more than staying inside. So now we travel, we do not put them into cat daycare. The neighborhood is very good taking care of them. And there are some families we keep daily or weekly or every couple of days we communicate. And the cat, they have 9 lives. Not only they have 9 lives, the other day they know how to live. My son said, yeah, the cat, they know their way. They just be cute and they are good. I hope maybe. But me, however I try to be cute, I am not that cute. I cannot survive by myself. But the cat, they are just being cute and they survive. So unfair. So I am debating which one for the cat, the neighbor. So you can help me to decide. I already got the vote from my family. I bought these 2. I asked which one do I give as a gift. He immediately said, that one, that one. I will not say this one or this one, but he immediately mentioned one. So if here is your question, here is your choice, or here is your contribution. Which one offer as a gift? This one, only this is very good, very good. This one is both a very thin one and a relatively big, very thick one. What do you think? One of it. The big white or long red. Long red, so you help me to decide. As a gift, should I offer square white or long red? Square white or long red? Thank you very much. I love you. I really do. Do. École du fer. Du phare. Phare Breton. Les phares Breton, c'est très connu. C'est toujours le phare. C'est tous les phares. Jean Benoît Héron. This might be the artist, right? C'est le phare. Le phare. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu. Bye. Yeah. Bye.